Well, I'm back home, back in the Blue Ridge Mountains after a very awesome trip out west. Sadly, the end did not go the way that I wanted it to go. It wasn't supposed to be that short of a trip, but yeah, after that happened with the wildfires and everything, I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go home because I missed this place, and I really want to get out here and explore these mountains while it's warm out, while it's green. I never really got to do that last year for some reason. I just didn't get up here to really embrace the summer, so I really wanted to do that this year. So that's why we are back home. Feels good to be back. Freaking beautiful out here. Interestingly, it got super cloudy as soon as I got up here. It was like sunny and blue skies the whole drive up here, but I guess all these tall mountains just collect all that moisture. So it's pretty cloudy up here, but kind of makes for some cool scenery. I kind of like it when the clouds are like wrapping around the mountain. It's nice. Well, rats. That was where my campsite was gonna be. It's closed. It says storm closure. Gosh dang. I'm assuming this is due to Helene damage, just most likely. Guess we're gonna have to go find another spot. It's just how it is out here. That is one bad thing about camping out here in the Blue Ridge Mountains, is there's less places to camp, and a lot of the roads are not fixed still, if you can believe that. It's been almost 2 years and we're still cleaning up. Luckily, there's another place that's not too far from here that might have some sites. Don't know if that road's open either, but we're gonna try. All right, here is camp. Boom. We got a fire pit. Crazy looking fire pit over here. It's kind of cool looking. Look at these flowers. Man, the rhododendron's blooming out. And we got a little stream right here. Wow.
said to me, "You have seen correctly, for I am watching to see that my word is fulfilled."
Man, I've just been sitting here for the past hour or so. just chilling. A little bit of a slower pace today. I've been going non-stop for quite some time now. Driving back from Kansas after the last video was crazy. I stayed one night in Arkansas, but it was just too hot to stay there anymore. So I drove all the way from Eureka Springs, Arkansas to the Smoky Mountains in one day, which is a lot. There was traffic. Nashville was awful. I got stuck in standstill traffic. Then by the time I got to the Smokies to go to camp, I was actually planning on going to this road, and the road was closed. Of course. So after hours, literally all day driving, I get there, road's closed. I'm like, goodness grief. So after that, I went a little further east, trying to find somewhere in the mountains, because that was during a heat wave. So it was really, really hot, and I was trying to get up in the mountains at least somewhat, just trying to cool down. And so I went a little further east and went into Brevard, North Carolina. Went on a road trying to find a campsite. They were all taken. At this point, it's midnight, and I'm like, oh man, what am I gonna do? So at that point, I just decided, you know what? I'm gonna go drive to my parents' house and sleep in their driveway. And so that's what I did. I drove there and I slept in their driveway that night. That was another 2 hours or so. So I literally drove all day that day. It was insane. I started driving at like 5:30 Arkansas time and got done at 2 a.m. on the East Coast. So it was crazy. Never in my life have I ever driven that much, ever. I think I drove for 22 hours. I think I was behind the wheel for 22 hours. That is insane. Whew. Yeah, it was a haul. And it's just been a lot of driving and just going point to point, trying to just make progress. I just want to slow down. So that's what I'm doing today. I got to the campsite at like 3 o'clock and I've just been chilling. I took a nap. Me and Pop's just been walking around the campsite, been listening to this audiobook. It's been nice. But I think that I'm getting a little hungry, so we're gonna start some dinner here and try something new. I've never cooked before. Hopefully it turns out alright. Tonight we are gonna fix chicken Alfredo tortellini. I don't even know. Ravioli? I don't know what it's called. I don't even know if it's a real thing. I got this. Yeah, tortellini. Spinach and cheese tortellini. Alright, we got some Alfredo sauce, and I picked up some rotisserie seasoned pulled chicken breast. So we're gonna, cook these up, warm that up, put that in there. I don't know. We're gonna see. What are you doing? I'm just gonna eat it out of the pot. There's less dishes. Don't hate me. I forgot Parmesan. I mean, come on, man. It's pretty whack. Does he want some Fudos too? Alright guys, that's dinner. I think I want a little bit of a dessert. Got some cookies. I'm definitely gonna make that again because it was really, really simple to make. Everything's kind of pre-made already. You just kind of have to boil the tortellini and yeah, mix it all together. It was really good. I'm sure it would have been better with Parmesan. Yeah. All right. Getting late, about to get into the bed, but before I do, I'm gonna take a shower. And yes, I have a shower in here. If you did not know, I have a shower in this tiny little camper, if you can believe that. Right here. Yeah, I don't have an actual shower. This is the best I got. I'm gonna turn the camera off now so I can clean. Good morning. It's the next day. Got my coffee right here. Beautiful, beautiful day. Such a peaceful way to wake up. Some coffee and a little waterfall. Today on the agenda, I'm thinking that we're gonna go check out some cool waterfalls that are in the area. This area in western North Carolina around Asheville has some of the most concentrated amount of waterfalls, I think, in the whole entire country. There's waterfalls everywhere. So we're gonna go check out some of the most beautiful ones that's around where I'm at right now. Me trying to plan today, it was kind of hard because there was so many waterfalls. I just didn't know which ones to pick, but I picked some pretty ones, some pretty unique ones, and I picked one that I think that we could swim at. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so the trailhead to this waterfall is like right across the road from this awesome freaking lake. Wow. Got a little island out there. People are on their boats, having fun. Pretty nice. This is what I'm talking about right here. It's so nice out here. Beautiful day. I mean, it's like 70 degrees. There's the waterfall right there, or at least part of it. One thing's for certain, this terrain is very treacherous. Wet, mossy rock everywhere. Just crazy. Wow. This is just the upper part of the falls. This isn't even the whole entire waterfall. It's even more beautiful as we go down. This place is freaking beautiful. Yo, what the frick is going on here? Holy crap. This is the most butterflies I've ever seen. Looks like they found a napkin. Goodness grief. That's crazy. I'm getting in. I'm doing it. Oh, pup's already in. Oh my gosh. It's freezing. Oh. Woo. That is freezing. Holy crap. What the frick? These rocks are so slippery, it's unreal. Ah, man. This is nice. Oh my gosh. Whew. That was a hike and a half on the way back. So many stairs, and it was hot. I'm starving, and there's a taco truck like 15 minutes away, so I think that we're gonna go get some tacos at this taco truck. Hola. Quisiera dos pastor tacos. Tacos de pastor.
Tacos?
Pastor.
Pastor?
Sí. All right, guys. We got the goods. This place had 5 stars. This taco truck. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Unveil the goodness. I got pastor tacos. It's kind of a classic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Those look amazing, dude. Yes. Oh yeah. These look amazing. Gas. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Wow. You used to be able to drive under this road, or drive under this waterfall. But now, for some reason, they have it closed off. Whoa, it's kind of wet. So if I'm not mistaken, I think I've heard from some people online that the road actually was originally this, but then they made it over there. So you used to have to drive under this waterfall. This was part of the road. But yeah, now the road's over there. I still wish they would let you drive under it though. I don't know why they have it closed. All right, we just made it to the next waterfall, and a storm is a-brewing. We are on a time crunch. Luckily this waterfall is literally like right off the parking lot, but I can see some rain in the distance, and the thunder's thundering. Oh man, hopefully we don't get soaked. We might get soaked. Guys, look at this waterfall. Holy crap, we're getting misted. That is incredible, guys. Luckily, we didn't get wet from rain, but we did get wet from the mist walking under the waterfall. So cool. Such a huge waterfall that you can just walk right under like that. Shakes the whole ground, just vibrates everything. It's crazy. Alright guys, well, as you can see, it's absolutely downpouring. The rain has taken over. So I think that's gonna call it for today. I think that we've done enough, and yeah, we don't want to go hiking in the rain anymore. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little trip out here to the Appalachian Mountains. My first video back in the Blue Ridge since my trip out west. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. That would be awesome. And yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next adventure.